Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to see how we can write LINQ query for XML document in Uipath. So this is the XML document that I have created and there are multiple elements in it, note list and note. So first of all I will create an assign activity and then create xdoc variable which will be a type of X document. And then I will create items variable which will be type of any variable of X element. Now we will read the XML document using xdocument.load and then define the path of the file. Now in another assign activity, I'll write the LINQ query. So there will be two brackets and then define the variable L. And then we'll use note list elements and then dot elements, then note element. And in the second line we have to define the condition and the attribute name from where we want to pick the element. So where the ID is 2, we want to pick the element L dot element 2. Now we have to convert the attribute to C string. Now whatever we got in items, we have to iterate over it and we have to see what it returns. Using value function. It returns Jim for attribute ID 2 and for 1 it returned Tom. So this is the way we can read XML document. Thank you.